20 most mysterious places that scientists cannot explain. Ever heard of a place where ships and planes vanish without a trace? Yes, we're talking about the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, stretches between the points of Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. This invisible triangle has been the stage for numerous disappearances, leaving the world mystified. Over the centuries, countless vessels, from sturdy battleships to sleek aircraft, have seemingly dropped off the face of the earth within this enigmatic area. The USS Cyclops, with over 300 souls on board, vanished in 1918, leaving not even a distress call behind. The infamous Flight 19, a group of 5 bomber planes, disappeared during a routine training mission in 1945, sparking a wave of fear and fascination that continues to this day. So, what makes this stretch of ocean so mysteriously alluring? The theories are as vast and varied as the ocean itself. Some attribute these disappearances to extraterrestrial activities, suggesting the area is a cosmic wormhole, while others propose a more supernatural explanation, theorizing about the lost city of Atlantis and its high-tech energy crystals. But let's not get carried away by the allure of the unknown. Scientists and skeptics have their feet firmly on the ground. They suggest more earthly reasons, such as rogue waves, human error, or equipment failure, and even the release of methane hydrates from the ocean floor. The Bermuda Triangle, with its enigmatic history, continues to captivate our imagination. It's a testament to the fact that despite all our scientific advancements, there are still places on this beautiful planet that hold secrets, that defy explanation, and that remind us, in no uncertain terms, of the awe-inspiring power of nature. While the Bermuda Triangle continues to baffle us, let's move on to another place that's equally puzzling. Imagine giant sketches etched onto the desert floor, visible only from the sky. That's the Nazca lines for you. Nestled in the arid plains of the Pampa Colorado, Peru, lies an ancient enigma, the Nazca lines. These are not just any lines. These are colossal geoglyphs, spanning hundreds of meters, depicting various designs from simple lines to intricate geometric shapes, and even representations of animals and plants. Their discovery was no less than a serendipitous accident. In the early 20th century, a Peruvian archaeologist, Toribio Mejia Gespi, stumbled upon them. However, their true scale and magnificence were only revealed in the 1930s when commercial airlines began flying over the region. But the real question is, who created these enormous designs, and why? The most widely accepted theory is that the lines were made by the Nazca people who inhabited the region between 200 BC and 600 AD. But how they managed to create such precise designs, visible only from a great height, remains a topic of hot debate among scholars and enthusiasts alike. One theory suggests that the Nazca people created these drawings as offerings to the gods, who they believed could view these from the heavens. Another hypothesis postulates that these lines were part of a sophisticated astronomical calendar. But not everyone is convinced by these explanations. Some fringe theorists propose extraterrestrial involvement, arguing that the lines were landing strips for alien spacecraft. While these theories are often dismissed as sensationalist, they certainly add an extra layer of intrigue to the mystery. Despite all the conjecture and debate, the truth behind these lines remains shrouded in the mists of time. They stand as silent witnesses to an ancient civilization's ingenuity, their purpose as enigmatic as the people who created them. So, next time you're flying over Peru, don't forget to look down. You might just catch a glimpse of history etched into the desert floor, a testament to human creativity and the enduring power of mystery. From unexplained desert drawings, let's journey to a place where time itself is said to stand still, a circle of massive stones in the middle of nowhere. The Stonehenge is as mysterious as it is majestic. Imagine, if you will, standing in the midst of the English countryside, surrounded by these towering monoliths, feeling the weight of thousands of years of history pressing in around you. This is Stonehenge. Located in Wiltshire, England, Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument that has stood the test of time. Its origins are shrouded in the mists of time, with estimates dating its construction back to anywhere between 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. It's an awe-inspiring testament to the skills and determination of its creators, whoever they might have been. And that's where the mystery deepens. Who built Stonehenge? Was it the work of ancient druids, as some theories suggest, or perhaps it was the handiwork of extraterrestrial visitors? While these theories might seem outlandish, they've gained traction due to the sheer scale and precision of the monument. The largest stones, known as sarsens, weigh an average of 25 tons each and were transported from Marlborough Downs, a distance of 20 miles. The smaller stones, known as bluestones, weigh up to 4 tons and were brought from the Preseli Hills in Wales, a staggering 150 miles away. But why go to such lengths? What purpose did Stonehenge serve? Was it a place of worship, a burial ground, or perhaps a celestial calendar? Some believe it was a sacred site for healing, while others argue that it was an ancient observatory, aligned with the movements of the sun, moon, and stars. Despite the countless theories and extensive research, the true purpose of Stonehenge remains a mystery. It's a testament to our human fascination with the unknown, a relic of a time long past that continues to captivate us. As we leave the enigmatic Stonehenge behind, brace yourself for a journey into the heart of the Amazon. The world is full of mysteries, and our journey is just beginning. So buckle up, because we're about to delve even deeper into the unexplained. Deep within the Amazon rainforest lies a city that many have sought, but none have found, the lost city of Z. A tale as old as time, the lost city of Z is a legend that has been passed down from generation to generation. This city, believed to be laden with gold and jewels, speaks of an advanced civilization lost in the depths of the Amazon. Let's dive into the mystery of this elusive city. The lost city of Z was first introduced to the Western world by a British explorer named Percy Fawcett in the early 20th century. Fawcett was convinced that a sophisticated civilization once thrived in the heart of the Amazon. He led a series of expeditions, venturing deeper into the jungle with each attempt in search of this lost city. Fawcett's fascination with the city turned into an obsession. In 1925, he embarked on his final expedition with his son and a small team. They ventured into the uncharted territories of the Amazon, never to return. Their disappearance sparked one of the greatest manhunts in history. Over the years, countless expeditions have tried to trace Fawcett's path, but the lost city of Z remains a mystery. So, why can't we find the lost city of Z? Well, the Amazon isn't just any forest. It's the largest tropical rainforest in the world, sprawling over 2.3 million square miles. It's a labyrinth of towering trees, winding rivers, and dense undergrowth. It's the perfect place for a city to hide. The relentless humidity of the Amazon can quickly devour any trace of human existence. And let's not forget the dangerous wildlife that calls the Amazon home. The lost city of Z is a reminder of human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of the unknown. It's a story that continues to captivate explorers and treasure hunters, keeping the legend alive. It's the allure of the unknown, the promise of adventure, and the thrill of discovery that keeps us searching. And perhaps one day, the lost city of Z will reveal itself. From elusive cities to inexplicable formations, our next stop is the Marfa Lights. In the Texan desert, strange lights dance in the night sky. Welcome to Marfa, home to its namesake mystery, the Marfa Lights. Now you may be thinking, what's the fuss about some lights? Well, these aren't your ordinary stars or aircraft lights. The Marfa Lights are mysterious, glowing orbs that appear in the desert near U.S. Route 67, just east of Marfa, Texas. They've been reported to hover, merge, twinkle, split into two, dart across the desert, and even change in color. For over a century, locals and tourists alike have witnessed these enigmatic lights. The first recorded sighting dates back to the late 19th century, when a cowboy reportedly saw a flickering light while rounding up cattle at dusk. Since then, the Marfa Lights have become a local legend, with stories passed down from generation to generation. But what are these lights, really? Theories abound, with explanations ranging from the plausible to the downright fantastical. Some attribute the lights to atmospheric reflections of automobile headlights or campfires. Others suggest a more natural cause, like the release of phosphine or methane gases. There's even a theory that these lights are nothing less than extraterrestrial, a sign of alien life trying to make contact. But despite numerous studies and investigations, the true nature of the Marfa Lights remains unknown. Scientists are yet to find a definitive explanation that can account for all the peculiar characteristics and behaviors of these lights. That's the charm of the Marfa Lights, isn't it? They remind us that there's still so much about our world that we don't understand, so much that's waiting to be discovered. The Marfa Lights continue to puzzle and fascinate, drawing curious minds to this small corner of Texas. So if you ever find yourself in the Lone Star State, why not take a detour and see if you can catch a glimpse of these elusive lights? Remember, sometimes it's the journey that teaches you a lot about your destination. And in the case of the Marfa Lights, the journey is indeed as intriguing as the destination. As we part with the mesmerizing Marfa Lights, we dive into the chilling mystery of Lake Baikal, a lake that's home to more than 1,700 species of plants and animals, 2/3 of which can be found nowhere else in the world. Welcome to Lake Baikal. Nestled in the Siberian region of Russia, Lake Baikal stands as the deepest and oldest freshwater lake on Earth, holding about 1/5 of the world's unfrozen fresh water. Its age is estimated to be a staggering 25 million years, and its depth plunges to an impressive 1 mile. But what makes Lake Baikal truly fascinating is its unique ecosystem. Imagine a place where 2/3 of the creatures are exclusive to that region. It's like stepping into a world that's been untouched by time, a world that's evolved independently, crafting its own unique narrative of life. From the translucent Baikal oilfish to the quirky Nerpa seals, the world's only species of freshwater seals, the lake is a treasure trove of biological wonders. Yet, beyond its biological marvels, Lake Baikal is also home to a number of unexplained phenomena that continue to baffle scientists. Take, for instance, the lake's remarkable clarity. Despite its depth, in winter, you can see an astonishing 40 meters into its icy depths. How is this possible? Well, That's a question that still puzzles scientists. Then there's the mystery of the lake's circular patterns. Every winter, like clockwork, gigantic circles appear on the lake's icy surface. These circles, measuring up to 5 kilometers in diameter, have been a subject of speculation and research. Despite numerous theories, their origin remains an enigma. And let's not forget the lake's seismic activity. Despite being located in a geologically stable region, Lake Baikal experiences thousands of small earthquakes annually. Another riddle wrapped within this enigmatic lake. So, as we delve into the mysteries of the world, Lake Baikal stands as a testament to the wonders of nature, a place where life has flourished in the most unexpected ways, and where mysteries continue to unfold, challenging our understanding of the world. From the depths of Lake Baikal, we ascend to the heights of Mount Kailash, a mountain that's never been climbed. Mount Kailash is shrouded in mystery and sacredness. Imagine a gigantic, snowy peak, rising majestically in the remote, barren landscape of Tibet. That's Mount Kailash for you. But it's not just its physical grandeur that captures the heart. It's the spiritual aura that engulfs it. This sacred mountain is located in the Kailash range of the Himalayas and stands tall at over 22,000 feet. Unlike Everest or K2, no human has ever scaled this mountain. You might ask, why? Well, it's not the physical challenge that deters climbers. Rather, it's the deep-seated reverence for the mountain that keeps them at bay. Mount Kailash holds a significant place in not one, but 4 religions: Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Bon. For Hindus, it's the abode of Lord Shiva, one of the most powerful deities. Buddhists believe it to be the home of Buddha Demchok, who represents supreme bliss. Jains consider it as the site where their first prophet achieved enlightenment. And for Bon, it's a sacred 9-story swastika. But it's not just the spiritual significance that cloaks this mountain in mystery. Ancient texts suggest that the mountain is the axis mundi, the world's spiritual center, and the stairway to heaven. Some even believe it to be a man-made pyramid from an ancient lost civilization, attributing its unclimbable status to its non-mountainous origin. And then there's the strange case of time distortion. Many visitors have reported a rapid aging process near the mountain, with nails and hair growing at an accelerated rate. Science, as of now, has no clear explanation for this phenomenon. Despite all these mysteries, or perhaps because of them, Mount Kailash draws thousands of pilgrims each year. They undertake the strenuous journey not to conquer the mountain, but to circumambulate it, seeking spiritual enlightenment and purification. As we leave the sacred Mount Kailash, we head to our final and most mysterious destination. So buckle up, folks. The journey is far from over. In the middle of the Pacific Ocean, a small island holds a big mystery: the massive stone heads of Easter Island. Let's embark on a journey to this remote land, a place that has baffled scientists and historians for centuries. Easter Island, also known as Rapa Nui, is a tiny speck of land located over 2,000 miles off the coast of Chile. Its isolation is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of its former inhabitants, the Rapa Nui people. This far-flung island is home to nearly 900 colossal stone figures, known as moai, each chiseled with remarkable precision and detail. These moai, standing tall and proud, are an enduring symbol of the island's rich history and culture. Ranging from 4 to 33 feet in height and weighing up to 82 tons, these stone giants are a marvel of human ingenuity. But how did a civilization with no access to advanced technology manage to carve, transport, and erect these massive stone figures? This is where the mystery deepens. Theories abound, from extraterrestrial intervention to the use of a complex system of ropes, ramps, and sledges. Some believe that the Rapa Nui people had developed a technique to walk the statues into place. However, none of these theories have been definitively proven, adding to the enigma of Easter Island. The Moai are more than just stone figures. They are believed to represent the ancestors of the Rapa Nui people, serving as guardians of the island. Their sheer scale and number speak volumes about the dedication and skill of the island's ancient inhabitants. Easter Island serves as a poignant reminder of human potential, showcasing what can be achieved with determination, creativity, and respect for one's ancestors. It's a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity, capable of creating wonders, even in the most adverse conditions. As our journey ends, we're left with more questions than answers, reminding us that the world is a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be explored. The enigmatic Moai of Easter Island continue to stand guard, their secrets locked in stone, challenging us to keep seeking, keep questioning, and keep exploring.